y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome to the NAB Show 2019. Today is April 9th, Monday morning. They just let us in the door. Let's go check it out. This place is massive. We're at the South Hall, lower level. There's 3 different companies I came here to see by invitation. It's products that I use of theirs and cameras and whatnot. So we're gonna work our way through, find them, and check them out, and then we'll go on from there. Anyway, there's a lower level, South Hall. Let's go in the mob. We're at the extreme back end of the South Hall here. I kind of got the lay of the land when I was here for CES. And I got my walking shoes on too. Let's go. A lot of this stuff is for television production. Check out those. Aren't those cool? Oh wow, look at that. Look at those displays. My goodness. Digital fish in your steps. Too cool. There's one for you. How you like that in your RV? Would be cool to have a whole outside your RV look like that. I bet they could make you one. So this section here is software development, digital, and cloud service. There's a lot for television. I'm not here for this, but it's fun to look at. There is just tens of thousands of people here. Not like CES. CES was hundreds of thousands. They got a lot of speakers. There's a couple of events I'm going to attend tomorrow, Tuesday. Just row after row. Business after business. Look at all these people. Mega show. Here's one for all you gamers. Them guys are sitting there with controllers playing. Look at the size of them things. I've been watching it. Check this out. I'm gonna get the camera up in the air. Look at the names in the water. Look at it. Look at the design of the name. See it? Now how cool is that? Okay, we're almost at the end of this portion of the South Hall. See those stairs? We're going to go up another level and then find the first company I came to see. I have an app on my phone that shows me where I'm at and where all the places are that I want to see. There's Adobe. Chances are you got some type of Adobe product on your computer or phone somewhere. Them guys are massive in software and all kinds of stuff. That looks all like gaming there. This whole section in here, they're all software developers and cloud service. The amount of storage especially like TV production, all these people require is insane. And that's all this section here. Some of the tags people wear, their name tags, you can see like CBS News, NBC, a lot of networks, cable companies. They all buy this kind of stuff. Okay, here's Telestream. These are one of the companies that invited me here. Been using their software for quite a while. I use it for live streaming. It's a product called Wirecast. All the people checking them out. They're huge. Great software. Fight my way through this crowd. I'll show in detail later on how Wirecast is used, even for RV channel. I use quite a bit of their technology.
And the latency was about 10 seconds.
Live streaming is the wave of the future, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of it.
Not going back to their team.
Alright, well, I'm going to come back and visit with these guys later. I'll be here another day tomorrow. So, let's move on. Okay, now check this out. That guy right there is controlling that green camera on the right. Watch his monitor. Those are the people across the area here. Like riding a bicycle. Isn't that cool? Look at that display. My goodness. It's just everywhere. Look at this. Have you ever seen anything like this? Okay, well, we're almost at the end of the lower level of the South Hall. Crazy, huh? Now I want to go upstairs. There's a company up there that invited me too. We're going to go find them. Okay, there's a look back. That's just the lower level of the South Hall. We're gonna head upstairs now. Okay, up here there's more software people. This is more about live streaming up here. A lot of different products for live streaming, video production, remote type broadcasting. A lot of this has to do with TV, but also can be utilized for RV channels in a tiny scale. That's why I'm here. Absolutely amazing. Look at all this. A lot of screens for like weather channels. Look at that. Huh. Look at all the features. A lot of the software cost into the tens of thousands. If you're in the cameras at all, you might see some names up here. There's Dolby for sound that you recognize. There's another hall with all the camera gear. We'll do that tomorrow. It's down in the C hall, Central. Definitely go check out all the camera gear. Different type of controllers, graphics. You see a bunch of graphic designers here. Samsung, Verizon, all this 5G stuff coming out for the phones. Look at that. Scary looking. Aha, I see where we're heading. Okay, here's LiveU. This is another company that invited me here. Check out their little race car. They got cameras mounted that they can live stream from that car. Isn't that amazing? And they got quite a bit of footage about that. Anyway, I was invited up here by them. I own their device. I just bought it recently. And that's something I'm going to be using this summer. I'll be making quite a bit of more videos about this device too. They are broadcasting live continuously off this stage here. Not me though.
No, in all seriousness, James, this is going to sound really vain of me, but if I sit down with you an open cup of coffee right now.
Yeah.
They're getting ready to do a live broadcast right now. Okay, I will come back. Check out that little camera on that girl's shoulder. I'm going to come back. I'll do more videos about all this stuff that I'm going to be doing. There's LiveU. Cool. Those are the main ones I came to see. All right, let's go wander a little bit more. Okay. My new van. Anybody got about $500,000 they want to donate? Look at that thing. My goodness. Holy. Oh. I don't know. Where would you sleep? Who cares? Man. Yeah, you could broadcast to Mars with that thing. Look at that. Now there's my RV dream right there. I guess I could pull a little trailer. Pull the cargo trailer with it. Look at that thing. My goodness. That is a broadcast van and a half. My goodness. I'm in awe. Okay, there's a sneak peek of the new RVerTV mobile van. Yeah, right. Okay, well, we'll wander here a little bit more. I'll split these videos up. I'm going to go down to the central hall. That'll be a whole video on its own about all the gear, camera gear. And that'll be a good one. That'll come up next, the next video. That way these things won't be too long. But way too cool. If you've never been to one of these events, it's good to come. If you're into it, I mean, you got to be into video and cameras and software. But Vegas, man, there's a show for anything and everything. Anything you can think of. Way too cool. I want to thank Telestream and LiveU for inviting me here. Okay, I'm going to head on down to Central Hall. We'll go check out camera gear next. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon from Las Vegas. Take care.